All right, so I just bought these. These are the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, okay? So I'm using these to clean off some spots off of a wall. I'm gonna see if they actually work. Right here, Mr. Clean says that they are 4 times stronger with durafoam. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna take Mr. Clean's word for it. All right, Mr. Clean. All right, right here says it's extra durable. There's 2 pads that come in this package right here. All right, so I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna actually use this on a stain. I try to say stain and spot at the same time. It just came out as Spain. But you know what I meant. So right here on the back, it says, leave no room for dirt in any room. All right. So right here, it says you can use these in bathrooms, walls. Okay. You can use these on walls, sinks, and more. All right. Right here, it says extra durable. There's actually something. It says original removes soil. So this extra durable removes impossible soils and improved durability. There's some other things. There's Dawn that actually has plus grease fighting power of Dawn. And then there's also the bath version, plus foaming micro scrubbing bubbles. I don't need all of that to fight soap scum. I don't need that. I just need this to clean some walls. Right here, it has some warnings. Test with a small area with light pressure. But basically, the instructions are you wet this, you squeeze, and erase. Okay, so you wet this, squeeze, I guess, some of the extra water out, and then erase. And it says use on a small area with light pressure before use. All right, so I'm going to try this out, and I'm going to see where it goes. So let me open it up. I'm going to open this up. All right, I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to pull one of them out. So here are the pads. They're kind of light, flimsy looking things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wet this, and then I am going to try to wipe something off of the wall. All right, so let me go ahead and get this process right here started. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to take one of these things. Let me see the stain that I'm going to work with over here. I'm going to work with a couple of stains right here and work right there, and maybe that one. So let me take this over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wet this. Wet it thoroughly like that. Get it nice and wet. All right. And then turn off the water. And like the instructions said, I'm going to squeeze the water out. And then I'm going to take this over to a stain. The stain that I showed you on the wall. Let me squeeze this out. And there's maybe a couple more. There's actually one down here. I'm going to start off with this one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take this. And lo and behold, it gets stains off of the wall. Okay, these things really work. Here's another one right here. I'm going to go ahead and wipe. And it really gets stains off the wall. That's really impressive. These wipes actually do a good job. And remember the original stain right here? I'm going to go ahead and take that and wash off this original stain that I was talking about. Here's another one. This thing is really magical. Durafoam. All right, so cool. All right, so these things right here, they work really well with getting stains off of a wall. Okay, so these are the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. All right, so if you need to get these, I got these from the store. They're relatively cheap. I think they were a couple of bucks. They actually work well. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.